Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can upload a short video to your YouTube. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, write comments after watching the video, and also subscribe to the channel. So let's get into this topic. And first, open up the YouTube app on your phone and then make sure that you're logged into your YouTube account. To do that, you can click on the U section. And here you will at the top make sure whether it is your account or not by the photo and your name and username. Next, click on the plus sign in the middle to go to create a video. This will open up the camera on your phone, and you can shoot some video just by clicking on this red dot and shooting a video. Or if you already have a video like that, it's in your gallery, then click here and select from the videos that you have on your phone. That takes less than 60 seconds of your time. Then, in the next step, you can crop that video to the size you want, and then click Ready. Next, click on the check mark, and that will take you to the video editing page. And here you can add, for example, text to the video, add some effect, add some sound. Then do some manipulations with the video, which you think will be necessary. Then click Next. And on the next page, you will already go to the very publication of the video. To do this, you will first need to click at the top to somehow name your video. Once you've entered the text, at the bottom you can choose whether your video will be public for everyone or private. You can also choose geolocation and some other features. You can also choose here. And then click here in order to publish the video. And then immediately you'll see the YouTube page that will publish your video. Since the video is short, up to 60 seconds, it will take very little time to publish it, and it will immediately be on your YouTube channel. Friends, this is the simple way you can upload short videos to your YouTube. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes and write your comments. See you soon.